What's up? This is random skill talent number two. Yeah. Today it's gonna be I know how to solve a Rubik's cube. So I'm just gonna mix it up for a second. Yeah. Yeah. I swear this is like my 20th take. Just kidding. That's exaggerating. Because I kept messing up or taking too long or whatever nonsensical doo-doo. Anyway. Does that look mixed up enough to you? I think so. Let's do this. Yeah. So how's your day, people? I know my day was fine and dandy. I hope your day was fine and dandy too. And today I had my first day of class for college. Oh my goodness. Actually, it was pretty fun. Yeah. Super cool. Met some awesome people. Some cool kids in my class. Yeah. Also have a really nice professor. She's like super chill. Anyway. Yeah. A little background on this random talent. I learned how to do this my freshman year because I was a lifeless dweeb and a dork who wasted his time learning how to do random things like this. Yeah. So that's number two. Solve these. I think my fastest time was about 55 seconds or so. Yeah. Well, yeah. Hope you guys have an amazing day or night, depending on when you're watching this. Good evening, good day, good morning, good night. Hello, goodbye. Take care.